welcome to another lesson of the Focus on Content course. I'm Marcelo Lewin, the Headless Creator. As always, get a hold of me, Marcelo at headlesscreator.com. I'll get back to you as soon as I can with any questions you may have regarding Headless CMSs and specifically content modeling. As you guys all know, I'm a big content modeling geek. Today, I have a special presenter. His name is Martin Makarski. He's a developer advocate for Kentico. And we're going to talk about today how to create a blog site. It's a simple blog site. We're not obviously going to create a whole huge blog site, but it'll involve using JavaScript, React, the delivery API, and the preview API of content, and Spotlight, which is sort of an editor within content itself to see how that works. We're going to do that real soon. We'll get started. But before we do, of course, as always, let me tell you real quick about Headless Creator. You will find the on-demand version of this lesson right here on Headless Creator. So remember to go there. You can go to courses, go to headlesscreator.com. You'll have to register, but it's free registration. Super easy. I don't ask for too many fields. And then go to all courses, and under all courses, you will find Focus on Content. In there, you will find the lesson, and there's a lesson in there already. We're adding one lesson a week, so this course will grow. So go there, register, enroll for the course. Again, it's 100% free, and then you'll be able to review this. Also, I do recommend if you go to courses upcoming lessons, you'll be able to see every lesson that's coming up week by week. And I do want to tell you to go to also the Content Modeling Weekly course. That one is, again, all of this is free, but the modeling one is Headless CMS agnostic, so you'll be able to learn more about content modeling and apply it to any Headless CMS. Alrighty. Okay, so that's enough of the marketing stuff. You know how this goes. For those of you that came back, you know how this goes. I will restart this for the on-demand version. The on-demand version that will appear on my website will be very nice and clean with just the intro and no marketing at all. So I'm going to restart it. I'll redo the intro, and then we'll get started on the presentation. So here we go. Well, hello and welcome to another lesson of the Focus on Content course. I'm Marcelo Lewin, the Headless Creator. You can get a hold of me, as always, Marcelo at headlesscreator.com. If you've been watching all of my lessons, it's the same email always, so feel free to reach out to me, and I'll return an answer to whatever question you may have. Today I have a special guest presenter. His name is Martin Makarski. He's a developer advocate at Kentico, and as the title of the show or the lesson is, we're going to talk about how to create a blog site using JavaScript, React, and Web Spotlight. There's a bit more technology in there, but Martin is going to go into that. And speaking of Martin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add him here to the mix, and there he is, Martin. Hello there, sir. Welcome.
Hello, good morning.
Good afternoon. Where are you located?
Right now in Brno, Czech Republic.
In Czech Republic. Okay. What time is it over there? We got, what, 8-hour difference?
Yeah, something like
that. Yep. Okay. So it looks like sometimes we freeze. Both of us have been having some issues, it looks like. So I just want to warn everybody that there's some issues that both of us are having on the internet with the internet gods today. They're not playing with us. And Martin just froze. So if that happens, we'll pause and we'll continue as soon as it unfreezes. We're not sure what's going on. Anyway, so Martin, real quick, tell us a little bit of background about yourself. Like, you're a developer advocate, but how did you get into all of this?
Yeah, during my studies at Masaryk University, I started working for Kentico as a QA engineer, and then it somehow evolved. I tried a lot of positions like full stack developer or support engineer in our US office in New Hampshire, and then I'm here, developer advocate.
How did you get into development?
Probably at the university.
I see. Were you always interested in programming?
Yeah, sure. It's like a playing with Lego bricks,
Right. True. It's very creative, right?
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah, definitely. What's your go-to language or technology that you like the most?
Um, it's evolving, I would say. These days it's mostly probably JavaScript or TypeScript, but yeah, it changes.
Yep, definitely. So I see you have a poster there behind you. So you're kind of a movie fan. As you can tell, I'm a movie fan myself. Um, and I always ask somebody, my presenters, a special question. And is your favorite movie Pulp Fiction?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. What is it that makes it your favorite movie?
Um,
Oh, the
it's
violence.
it's a nice mixture of anecdotes, and it's all packed with amazing quotes, and it's remarkable bit of content by Quentin Tarantino. It's
He's amazing.
yeah,
I
definitely.
just literally rewatched 2 nights ago, and it's written by him. It's not directed by him, but Natural Born Killers,
Yeah,
and it's such an artistic classic movie. It's just, I mean, it's violent. It's terribly violent, but it's Quentin Tarantino. What do you expect, right? At least written by him. So anyway, all right, very cool, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and share your screen right now.
thank
And
you.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on mute. If anybody has questions, please ask in the comments. I will ask Martin. Martin, if I have questions, I'll jump in. But otherwise, it's all yours, man.
Thank you, Marcelo. So let me start with the final output, what we are going to build today. We are going to build articles, blog post, websites written in React. I've already built it before to show you the final result. So it's already deployed on Netlify. Um, on the root, there is just a welcome to my site title with link to article section. When we go to the article section, you can see a listing of articles. This is blog post portfolio about amazing places around the world. So here are three of my most favorites: Azorin Islands, Grand Canyon, and Callao Beach. These three pieces of content are fetched from Cantica content, obviously. And there is also detail page for each location with title, with description, and content with images. Moreover, I've also added preview smart link functionality, which is hidden under preview query string. So when I enable this, you can see that I've got here Smart Link overlay. I will talk about Smart Link and Web Spotlight later. So basically, with Smart Link overlay, you can navigate directly to your CMS, to the content, to the specific content item, to the project, and to the specific element. You can edit it. That's about what we are going to build today. And let me give you some architecture overview. We are going to build a blog post website. We will use create React app. It will be written in TypeScript. And our content will be fetched from Headless CMS content, more specifically via delivery API. And even more also use delivery API directly, but we
You
will use,
froze there. So if we can just start with the preview delivery API. Sorry about that.
yeah, sure, no worries. Yeah, we will use preview delivery API because we will be working with unpublished or draft content items. We could also use preview delivery API directly, but we will use JavaScript SDK because it's got a lot of features out of the box, like promises, type models, Fluent API with filtering and sorting, property bindings, image or linked items resolving. Then we are going to add content smart link SDK, which will inject smart links directly to our site. And with smart links, we can automatically navigate via specific HTML data attributes to the headless CMS content. And then at the end of the session, we will put all the pieces together and we will connect it to Web Spotlight. For the architecture, it's also necessary to describe data model. For this is not a session about content modeling, so our data model is very, very simple. We got just one content type article with two text elements, title and description. In addition, we've got content, which is rich text element, and Slack. It's important to mention that the Slack is automatically generated from the title.
Is that an automatic thing in content, or do you have to pick which field it has to auto-generate from?
Great question. You can pick.
Got it. Okay, so you can have multiple.
Yeah.
Or not multiple, but you can pick from any of them. Yeah.
You can pick element.
That's very cool. Yep.
You want
So
to
it's
use.
not only can